Hi guys, it's Mimi here for another layout of the day, and today we're doing this layout from the Under the Stars collection. It's super cute with this silver paper rosette. And before we get started, I just wanted to touch lightly or quickly on the quality of this page. If you saw my video yesterday, you'd see that I printed this collection out while I had really low ink, so that is why it's not as bright and vibrant and as crisp as some of my other layouts. So just take note of that and don't let that kind of scare you. So this picture that I have here today is me and Zach when I graduated. That was like 3 or 4 years ago now, which is like kind of crazy. I graduated in 2019, right? Yeah. So that's like, okay, that's 3 years ago. Okay. Math, it's sometimes really hard. With this paper rosette, I am not going to go around and do the scallops. I am just going to go ahead and cut it just like a circle because I don't really think it'll make a difference, and I'm lazy. So when you are doing these yourself, just remember that there are no rules and you can do whatever your heart desires. And I'm also, I don't know, am I going to cut out that star? Let's see. I might have to, but I'm just going to go straight down and call it a day. This is why I created printable pages, because I am such a lazy crafter. I can't stand getting out all of my supplies and everything. Like, I only want to do that really like every so often. I do not want to have to clean up my craft room every frickin' day. And I know that makes me a really lazy crafter, but that's why I created printable pages, so that I could craft and get kind of like my scrapbooking fill for the day without having to get out absolutely everything I own and make a mess of my desk. So this is the layout of the day. I think it's super cute and I can't wait to add it into my binder. This set specifically I'm keeping in a black binder just because that's the color I had, and I think it looks really cute, and then I'll probably make like a cover for it as well. But yeah, if you want to add this into your own scrapbook album, as always, the link is in the description, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye!